Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, as you can tell from the title, I'm going to be showing you a huge collective haul that I have collected over the past 3 or 4 months. This is a huge thrift haul that I've just been collecting and I've just been wanting to share with you guys. So we're going to go ahead and get started because I don't want this video to be too long and my camera's about to die. So let's get to it. So the first thing that I want to start off with is accessories because that's the closest thing next to me right now and I have a whole pile of clothes. But the first 2 things I want to talk about are cabbie hats, conductor hats, or I don't even know what these are called. But I have this black one right here. These are super popular lately. I think these are so cute and just so stylish. They can really make an outfit go from plain and boring to bam, like she actually tried. So I really like this. This is just a black one with a leather part at the bottom. But it is missing a button, which is a bummer, but I'm sure I'll find one at Michael's or something. And the next one is a little out of my comfort zone. This is a leopard print, cheetah print, I don't even know. But it's a little out of my comfort zone and I haven't really worn it yet because it's still, like, I don't know how I feel about it, but it's still in my closet because it's like, you know, what if I decide to wear it? What if I decide to be wild that day? The next 2 things I want to talk about are still accessories, but they're 2 belts and they're both Western looking belts. If you guys knew from my last thrift haul, I love Western belts, and these are so cute. I always get my Western belts from the thrift store. So this one is like, this one kind of reminds me of Dwayne "The Rock" Johnson's belt, but I thought it was really cute and it has like a really nice detailing. It's just a smooth plate and I feel like this can really add a touch to the outfit. And then the next one is my favorite. When I found this at Goodwill, I was literally like, gotta have that. And it's an extra small and it fits me so nicely. It fits me perfectly. It's a patent leather belt and it almost has like snakeskin material on it. But what I love about it is the gold and silver detailing. This is just the most prettiest belt ever, and you know these belts are in style, so it's really, really pretty and it really adds just a little oomph to the outfit, you know? The next thing I want to talk about are graphic tees, and I have a lot. The first one is from Harley Davidson. This has a really nice and cool detailing in the front, which that's what really caught my attention. It has like a alligator or crocodile. Do I know my animals? But yeah, it's just a graphic tee. I thought it was really rocker and it's just oversized and I really love it. And on the back it also says Orlando Harley Davidson, so it's really cool. I like the detailing on this shirt a lot and I've been wearing it a lot. The next thing that I found from the thrift store is this really nice and bright Champion shirt. It just has that basic Champion logo right here and it's really bright red and I really liked it. I was really going through a phase where I wanted everything yellow and red, so when I found this I was like, gotta have that because it's so cute and I've been wearing it a lot in the house. The next shirt that I picked up from the thrift store is this cool looking shirt that just says Cope right here in like a bright green letterbox, and then on the back, which what caught my attention in the first place, was this really cool graphic design. I just thought it was a really dope shirt. The next shirt that I got is actually a Weekends Starboy tour shirt. I got this at my local Unique store and I don't know, this was only like $2 and I was like, wow, why is this here? So every time I wear this, people always ask me like, oh, how was the tour? How was the concert? Like, but anyways, yeah, I just thought it was a really nice looking piece that I couldn't pass up. I didn't want it to sit there. I knew I was gonna regret it if I didn't buy it, so I just ended up picking it up and it looks really cool in outfit. The next graphic shirt that I got is actually a Journeys tour, and this is a 2016 Journeys tour, I believe, yeah. And I just really like the color scheme of this shirt. It's just like basically the other shirts, it's very rocker style, and I love pairing graphic tees with boyfriend jeans and a leather jacket. It just makes your outfit look bomb, you know, without even trying, and knowing that this is just a $2 shirt from the thrift store, it's perfect. And my last graphic shirt, which is my absolute favorite and just my prime dime that I found at the thrift store, and it's this Rolling Stones t-shirt right here, and it's so cool, and I like how it has different flags on it. Like, it's just so cool. It's so cool. Like, I just think it's just a super rad shirt. Like, I don't even know if that's still a word around these days, but that's what I could just describe this shirt. It's so rad, like, and it's super oversized, so comfy, and I'm just so glad that I found this. Okay, moving on to the tops or shirts or blouses or sweaters. The first top that I want to show you is this really pretty nude tube top. It fits me so nicely. It's so stretchy. And yeah, I really like this. It goes with everything because it's such a neutral shade. The next shirt that I want to show you is this Nautica menswear sleeping shirt, I believe. But I think it's just so cool. Like, I love wearing this as like a flannel. And I like opening some of the buttons to show off my cute bralette. It's just really cute, and you can style it in many different ways. You could tuck it into your jeans, and the design is really cute. And it's so comfortable because this is for, you know, sleeping. So, the next top is a little out of my comfort zone. It's a pinky bubblegummy colored satin top. I have not yet, I don't know how to style this yet because it's like literally out of my comfort zone. I never really wear pink, but it's so cute and I love the material of it. I gotta steam it because it's really wrinkled, but other than that, it's just so comfortable and it just fits me really nicely. I just don't know when and where to wear this because I never wear pink. The next three things that I'm gonna be showing you is from Plato's closet. That's just because I just remember, and these are all sweater tops. So the first one is this really nice looking striped blue and white sweater top, as you can see. And it's so cute, it's so flowy and so soft. And I just love how it's like slightly see-through, so you could see like a cute bralette underneath. It's just really comfortable and just perfect for this time of the season. The next sweater top is actually from Brandy Melville, and it's this really nice knitted material sweater top. It's nude, it's beige, and it's really comfortable and just really loose and flowy, and just like all Brandy Melville clothes, it's super soft, so I love this. And the last sweater top that I want to show you from Plato's closet is actually from Forever 21, and it's this Harry Potter vibe kind of sweater. It has this really low deep neck, and it's maroon and black, and it's just the perfect fall sweater. I wore this a lot in the fall time with leggings because it is pretty long, and with a cute bralette underneath, a cute scarf. It's just the perfect fall outfit, but you can definitely wear this all year round, especially in the winter time. And we're gonna go ahead and get to the jackets or sweater portion, part 2. And the first thing that I want to talk about is this really nice long lined thick gray sweater. This is from H&M, but it's actually, I got it from Plato's Closet, which is a thrift store. And it's just a really long and thick sweater that I love. I love styling this with thigh-high boots and leggings, and it's just really pretty. It makes me look sophisticated. It keeps me warm because it's really thick, and I love the color. The next thing that I got from the thrift store is this really cute Windbreaker material Adidas sweater or jacket. It's this really cute Adidas Windbreaker jacket. It's really nice in material. It has like a fishnet detailing inside, and it's really light, so it's not going to keep you warm in the winter time, but I really loved using this definitely in the warmer fall days, and it goes with every outfit. It's so stylish, so sporty, which is totally not me. And the last jacket that I got from the thrift store is this baby right here. It's like a off-white beige colored jacket. It has fur lining inside, and it has like small different fur linings on the outside as well. It's suede material, it's so comfortable, so thick, and it's so stylish. And these types of jackets have been really in lately, so I'm glad that I got this. And this was only, I believe, $6 at my local thrift store, so I really love it. It's by the brand Mud. By the way, do you guys like my lipstick? I don't really know how I feel about it. It's the new Pretty Vulgar lipstick in My Lips Are Sealed. It's a metallic lip color and it's really bronzy. I mean, it's really pretty, but I don't know how I feel about it, you know? But anyways, we're getting off track. So the first pair of pants are these Culottes right here. They're black and white and gray striped. They're so pretty, so flowy. When you put them on, it almost looks like a skirt, and it's just really pretty. I just love the color combination. I love stripes, and I love culottes, so it was just like the perfect one for me. The next pair of pants are these babies right here. They're almost like jogger-like, but it has this really nice white stripe down the sides of it, which really caught my attention. And these are really like business type pants. They're like trousers. Like the back pockets aren't even real pockets, which I hate when pants are like that. But anyways, these are still really stylish, and I love wearing them with boots. I love wearing them with sneakers. They really go with anything because they're black and they're plain, and I love the material. It's really good material. So it has this really nice detailing in the front. It's almost like you know, little dots, little white dots on a black pants all over the pants. It's really, really pretty. It's a nice way to jazz up an outfit. You can just wear a simple white top or a simple black top with this, and it can really make it look like you tried, but really it's just the pants, and it's really stylish. I love the material of this as well. And yeah, I love pants in general. I think they're just the most easiest way to style an outfit. And the last pants that I want to show you are these sweatpants from Adidas. I got them from the boys section, and these are so comfortable. I kid you not, they are so comfortable. And they are just like in perfect condition actually. But I got this at Goodwill. It's a little boy's pants, but I love the detailing. I feel like this is something you could find at Urban like now, and it'd still be like really expensive, but I got this for like $4 and I love it. It's really soft. I wear this around the house and even outside the house. And the last part that I want to talk about in this video before my camera officially just gives up on me are boyfriend jeans, which I have a lot of, as you can tell. But the first pair that I want to show you are these really nice nude beigey high-waisted pairs, and all of these boyfriend jeans fit me amazingly. They fit me just right, and they're all high-waisted, which is like what I look for in a boyfriend jean. But I thought this was a little different from my style, from my like everyday wear. Like I never wear khaki colored jeans, so I thought this would be really nice to like experiment with and play around with. I haven't really worn it yet because it's really cold. Like all I want to wear is sweaters and leggings. Okay, second pair are a pair of Lee high-waisted boyfriend jeans. These are just light washed, and this one is a little wider and just a little like looser on the the thighs, and it gets really tight on the bottoms, which I really like, and I love the color, and these are so comfortable. Next pair, these are my favorite. Out of all of these are my favorite jeans because I've worn this a ton. These are a pair of Bongo medium denim wash jeans, and they are just the perfect boyfriend jeans. Like these are the perfect fit for me. These are the perfect length. It's so high-waisted, it goes above my belly button, and it's just so pretty. It goes with everything. Second pair of jeans that I got are a pair of Gap jeans, and these are also kind of like a darker light wash jeans, but it's similar to like the first one that I showed you from Lee. It's like looser on the thigh area and it gets tighter here, but it's still really cute, and there's something different about it. It's not that high-waisted, but I really like the color of it and I like the fit. Okay, the next pair of boyfriend jeans is from New York and Company, and these are just like darker pair of boyfriend jeans, and these are really high-waisted, which I would consider them mom jeans because they're baggy and tight at the end, and they're super high-waisted. They fit like mom jeans. Okay, the next pair of boyfriend jeans is from Faded Glory, and these are just the most amazing black pair of boyfriend jeans that I've found. These fit me like a glove. These are a size 6, and normally I'm a size like 2 or 4, but these fit me so well. They're so comfortable, they're stretchy, and the black just never fades. I've washed this like 3 times and it hasn't faded since. And it's really great quality. I love the thickness of it. It keeps me warm. I've been wearing it in the winter, and it's still thick enough to wear in the winter. So it's really good. Do you guys see like the pile of clothes on my bed right now? These pair of boyfriend jeans, these are literally like the best pair that I've found, because I've been really getting into like patterned pants and patterned jeans. So I really wanted like a striped black and white pair of jeans. These are a pair of Calvin Klein boyfriend jeans. They're black and gray striped, and they are amazing. These are high-waisted. These fit me so well. They are so good, and I just can't believe that I found this. This is like such a dime piece. Like I really love this. These types of styles are really in right now, like striped pants, just patterned pants in general. So I'm really excited to style these. I've worn it like once or twice, but I'm just really excited to style this like in the warmer weather, because these are just my babies. These are like the best thing that I found. And for that, guys, that is basically it. But yeah, if you guys like this thrift haul. Give it a thumbs up. Thank you so much for watching. I know it's going to be a long one, but I hope you still enjoyed it anyways. I love watching hauls. I love doing thrift hauls, and hopefully I can do a lot more. So yeah, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and hopefully I will see you guys next time. Bye.